welcome back to my channel. This is Darlarose. Hey babes, how you guys doing? Yo, it's been a cool minute. I actually want to do an eyebrow tutorial, guys, because I know you guys always ask me like how do I do my eyebrows, what products I use. So I actually just changed my products and I'm in love with how they've been coming lately. I also found like this little tip for me that works, and I'm actually able to do my eyebrows maybe like in 5 minutes, and they usually come out good on the first try, which is amazing. Okay guys, how you guys been? I've been busy, guys. So I got like this new promotion at my job, which is really good, but it means more hours, which is better pay. But I'm actually the benefits arch expert, so that means I actually do people's eyebrows now. I'm actually so I'm waxing them. If they need help, like I show them how to draw their eyebrows in. So I'm actually really excited for my new position. I just started doing waxing I think last weekend on a Friday, so that's cool. So yeah babes, you guys want to get your eyebrows done, come to my job right there in Ulta, Northridge. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with my angle brush, and then we're also going in with the Maybelline Adrian Wine concealer. I promise you I have some product in there, even though it looks like it's empty. There's some product, there's some. Anyways, I just need just a little bit, so I like to go and just kind of go with my brush like this. So I like to coat it. And what I find very easy for me to do my eyebrows, super easy, is I like to kind of outline them first. You guys see that? So I'm just outlining my eyebrow. And what this does is it kind of contrasts my eyebrows, so it helps me see what I really need to fill in, except having to fill in everything. Oh, I also want to show you guys 3 ways on how I do my eyebrows. And what I mean by that, guys, is that I do my eyebrows depending on like my mood. So I have 3 ways I do them usually. So I want to show you those 3 ways. So I have 3 ways. So depending on my mood is how I do them. Let me bring you guys in a little closer. So like, let's say if I want my eyebrows like I just want them just slightly filled, I go in usually with my brown microfilling pen. If I want them a little bit more defined, a real quick, kind of like a little more darker, I like to go in my Precisely brow pencil. This is from Benefit. I'm in the shade 4.5, and the microfilling pen I'm in deep brown. And then if I sometimes I want to have more like those ombre eyebrows, or more like, I guess you could say like Instagram eyebrows, I like to go in with dark brown pomade from Anastasia, but only on my tail right here, just a little bit to deepen this part. I'll show you guys. And then to set my eyebrows, because I like my eyebrows set and my eyebrows do move a lot for some reason, is I like to go in with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Amazing. This, guys, is amazing. I'll show you guys how I use it in a bit. So we're just so we're just gonna go in with the other side and carving them. No matter how I do my eyebrows, I always like to carve them in first, just so I could kind of see what I'm doing here. And the reason why I do this, babes, is just because I feel like it kind of does a contrast on your eyebrows, so your eyebrows already look dark, so you don't have to go in with more product. And I also feel like this gives it like a really good outline on what to do, if that makes sense. And I'm using one of my brushes. I think this is my Amazon brushes that got sent to me. They're really soft. They blend easily, and I like to use this quick little brush. You see, guys, how already, like, this is no product on this eyebrow or this eyebrow, and you guys see that already, like how okay, you guys see that, like how it already look kind of like already not done but done. Like they already look pretty dark. So that's what, just cleaning it up. I really like how they look already. So with this one, I'm just going to show you guys like my easy go-to look, and then this one would be with the pencil and then the pomade. So I'm gonna go in with my brow microfilling pen. This is a Benefit. I like this one because you guys see. I wish you guys could see that. Well, it has like 3 little brushes right here. So it has 3 brushes. So if you guys see this, it kind of just you kind of just follow your hair and it just perfectly like that. It makes like little hair. So I'm gonna go in with this eyebrow, and I just kind of just very lightly, if you guys can see, I follow in how my actual eyebrows grow in. Like I need a little bit of hair right here, so I kind of go up like this, and then right here, how I do these ones is I go from like that, and in the front I just kind of flick up. And if you kind of want to do a little line, you could definitely put the pen to its side. And you guys see that, like how they look done but they're not as much. And you could go in with the spoolie. And you guys see that? Oh, that looks so good already. So I usually just do that for like if I want a real quick eyebrow and I'm lacking like the places I need filled in. I just very much go like that. I just kind of follow my eyebrow and just draw in fake little hairs. Go in the front. And then sometimes I'll kind of just feel it, like if I need to, I'll just kind of use the marker of it and just kind of go in like that. And that's how I do that eyebrow. You guys can see me just kind of block the shimmer. I'm turning off the light, guys, so you guys can see how bad this looks. A little more done, a little more precisely. And then right there, it's filled in. And then what I like to do, guys, after that is I like to go in with my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I like this one because it has 3 sides, so you have your 3 sides. So you have a long side, a short side, and the flat side. So I like to go in with the short side and just kind of fluff up my hairs. And then I go in with the flat side just to really lay them down flat. And tell me, guys, that was not quick for that eyebrow. Look how pretty it looks. And that's only using just the brow pen. So you guys see that already. That's what I'm loving. I actually, guys, getting the Benefit products actually changed my whole brow game and making them like quicker and just like so much easier. Okay, guys, so now for this eyebrow, I do have it with no products. I'm just gonna adjust the, like I said, guys, what I do is the concealing. You guys see how big of a difference just concealing your eyebrow by itself already makes? Like, it makes a big difference, honestly. So I'm going in with my brow pencil. I use 4.5. It's a neutral deep brown. And why I like this, guys, is because it's very, very thin and it's very creamy. It's not a waxy product. And look at that, guys. Like, do you guys see that? Like how it just draws, how it just draws very nice and in a line. And for me, it does not break at all. And look at those fine lines. So I like that it's very precise. So you could create hair like, and then you have your nice spoolie on the end. So I like to get the pencil and I like to very lightly, just kind of right here. I don't really put that much product in the front because I like more like an ombre look, and I just go in like that. A little bit in here. And then I'll use my spoolie to kind of just move the product around. And look at that, guys, how perfect. And then I'll just show you on this eyebrow too. If I wanted to, I would just kind of do right here. Even this part up right here. A little bit right there. And look at that, guys. Woo! So that's just with the pencil. You see that? How nice? Just with the pencil. And then now let's say if I wanted a little bit more like that Instagram look, or I wanted more like, I guess you could say a little more darker on the end right here, or a little more, just a little more darker. Sometimes I do this. Sometimes if I'm really like trying to get that Instagram look, I guess. if I'm trying to get like that real Instagram look, I'll do this. I'll get my pomade, and this is very little on the product, and I'll just outline this part, the tail. And you guys see that? How it kind of just gives a little more of an arch. It's a little bit more ombre effect. Right here is very light, and then it goes darker. This is just a pencil, the microfilling brow pencil. And then after, what I do, guys, is I put just a little bit of concealer on top. And sometimes if I do need, like, let's say a little concealer on the bottom again, I'll definitely redo that. So I'm going to lightly kind of carve that out. I'm going to go in this one, just lightly carve it out. And then we do right here. You guys see that, how pretty it looks? And this eyebrow is not moving. With that brow setter, it does not move. And then we're going to get a little bit more product. And we're going to clean this eyebrow on top. Sorry, guys. I know it looks a little bit hard because I usually have a mirror on this side to clean. Okay, let me just get the mirror so I could just kind of do this right here. Oops. And then whatever kind of have on, like, on my product, sometimes I'll on my brush, I'll just kind of blend it softly through the front, just very softly. If I need to clean up any little piece, like right here, I want it a little bit more cleaner. So I'll do that, and then yes, now we're gonna go in with a brow setter, and I like to use, like I said, the small side just to really control my hairs. And then once I get them where I like them, I like to go in with a flat side to really smooth them out. And I mean this, guys, your eyebrows do not move at all. Sorry. And the reason why I like this is because I like to get really in there, and then the front, I like to make my front hairs go straight more, so I like to get the flat side and just flatten it out right there. And this product, it does not flake at all, babes. So I want to lower the light, but these are the finished products, like the finished product of the eyebrows. Okay, yeah, so this is the finished look. I really love them. They look a little dark, but I promise you they're not that dark. If you guys could see, they do have like that little ombre effect in the front. And honestly, guys, I feel like with those products, I'm able to do my eyebrows really quick. It did seem a little longer than usual, but I think it's just because we're doing more of like a tutorial and I want to talk step by step. So this one just had like the brow pencil on the palm and the microfilling pen. And then this one is with the microfilling pen and a little bit of pomade. I feel like the pomade really doesn't do that much of a difference, but this mentally I feel like it does. But they look really, really good. Honestly, I think I prefer the microfilling pen more than the pomade. That's only if I do this if I really want like a really dark tail. Sometimes I don't, but it just really depends. But yeah, babes, this is how I do my eyebrows. I honestly feel like, you guys, let me zoom you guys out. I honestly feel like, guys, if you do like the outlining first, it makes a huge big difference than trying to draw them in and then you get them a little bit more darker than you want. So I really say you're better off just drawing them in, carving them out first and then going in lightly, and that will make a big difference. Just because you are giving yourself like an outline, So yeah, babes, these are the brows. I think they look pretty dang good. And this is usually how I do them every day. And like I said, if I want them a little lighter in the front, I'll just kind of go in with whatever powder I had in the, or not powder, but like concealer I had. I'll just go really light in the front, very lightly. And there you guys see how it kind of did go a little lighter, and that's exactly how I do it, with just very softly with whatever foundation or concealer I have on the brush. Alright, bye babes. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that button right here. Alright, bye my loves.